Hello guys, good morning and good evening. I'm cooking chicken adobo with green chili spicy. It's very yummy and very delicious. Look at this guys. Look. I need to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and then 1 half onion slice. Any kinds of onions. And you have to stir it. When the onion is like half cooked, you have to add 4 cloves of garlic, as you can see guys. So when the garlic is cooked, and this is the organic chicken, native chicken or organic chicken. I marinate that guys. Onion powder, garlic, salt powder, black pepper, and also chicken powder. I already marinate that. Marinate that at least 4 hours. I bought that chicken, a whole chicken. This is organic chicken. So now the onions and the garlic is ready, and I need to add the chicken marinated, and then you have to stir it well, and then you have to leave that chicken until get rid of the blood and the smell get rid of, and before I add water. So look at this kind of chicken. It's good for organic chicken. Is good for boiled, like a mix up with unripe papaya and lemongrass, and also the called bok choy. You have to put the bok choy. So guys, as you can see, the blood is gone. So now I'm going to put the fill up of the water in the pot, like to boil like at least 1 hour, more than 1 hour, until the chicken gets soft. So you can see guys, yeah, because the chicken organic is kind of like different texture of the meat, so you have to boil it long time than the 45 days like chicken. So you need to try this guys. It's very yummy. Shout out to all my silent viewers or subscriber. Thank you for visiting my my channel. Sorry, and now I put the 2 bay leaves or 3 bay leaves. I add 1 more, so total is 3 leaves of bay leaves and col laurel. So try still hard, making sure that you have to, if I add this more water guys, because the chicken is not ready, it's not soup yet, and then you have to add, and then like 3 tablespoons of dark sauce or any kinds of soy sauce, and you have to bring to boil it until the chicken gets soft. And also vinegar is like 1/4 cup of vinegar. So I try to, when you put the vinegar guys, try not to stir it. See, as you can see, leave the vinegar for a while. So the vinegar, it's soaked there and it's this sour. So now you have to mix it and then boil it until the sauce gets sticky and the meat is soft also. So if you think the meat is still hard, and then you have to add more water. I love chicken organic, guys, especially the raised at the farm. It's very different taste. It's so yummy. So now I add more soy sauce. The purpose I keep adding soy sauce, guys, as long you don't add salt, because if you add salt and then you add soy sauce, your chicken it get salty. So the purpose that, so I want my adobo, chicken adobo, make look like darker, like brownish. So the chicken is look like almost done, as you can see, and also the soy sauce or the sauce is getting dry and sticky. So subscribe, like, share, and leave comment, and thank you so much for watching. And to all my subscriber, silent subscriber, idol, or my co-YouTuber, thank you so much for coming visit my channel, and please leave comment, likes, and share. Thank you so much. I love you all, guys, and see you to my next video. And I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and always take care and never give up, and stay safe and think positive. So we'll continue no matter what. Now the green chili, guys, I add the green chili, as you can see. This kind of chili, I think this is Japanese chili, and she's like a little bit spicy but not much. So it's really good. So this called organic chicken with chicken adobo with green pepper spicy. So subscribe, like, share, and leave comment. Thank you so much, and see you my next video. Now, as you can see, the chicken adobo is ready to serve. Sit aside in a clean plate, and it is good for appetizer. And use